Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Photoshop up to date, Creative Cloud signed in, and GPU drivers current. Once done, open Photoshop preferences and enable the beta features or neural filters toggle so generative options appear. Next, allocate scratch disk space and confirm hardware acceleration is active. This speeds previews. You'll also prepare an image layer with content you want to modify and save a copy. These steps get you from nothing to the first actionable generative controls fast. Now you access Generative Fill or the Generative AI panel in Filters and select the model variant. You'll choose resolution and creativity or strength. Higher values produce bolder changes but take longer. Create a precise selection or mask the area you want altered because the model focuses on that region. Type a concise prompt describing objects, style, and color. Include negative prompts to avoid unwanted elements. Once configured, run a preview. Review multiple samples and adjust sliders until output matches your vision. Finish by refining generated content. Convert results to smart objects, paint on layer masks, and use blending modes plus selective color correction to match lighting and texture. Make non-destructive edits so you can rerun generation with a new prompt or seed if needed, creating variations quickly. Export using export as with desired format and color profile. If the tool fails or artifacts appear, make sure Photoshop and drivers are updated. Clear the cache, lower resolution, and retry. Those fixes resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.